Mindful breathing for anxiety. Create a space for yourself where you can sit down comfortably. Keep your back straight and relax your shoulders. And take a deep breath in through the nose. And slowly out. And just let your body relax a little bit more. As you take your next breath in, expand your belly. And then slowly breathe out. And notice the fall of your stomach and the fall of your chest. And again, take a deep breath in. Expand your stomach. Expand the ribcage. And slowly out. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe in and out. And as you continue to breathe fully in, notice the sensations in your body. When you breathe out, empty out completely. And notice the sensations in your body as you breathe out. Focus on your belly now. And notice how your belly moves as you breathe in, expanding. And as you breathe out, notice how your belly relaxes. And know that it's okay if some thoughts come up. Some thoughts that you might not want to focus on now. Just allow them to move and continue. Just float away. Bring your focus again to your breathing. And allow the muscles around your face to relax. Your jaw, the back of your head, your neck, and your shoulders. As you breathe in and out, now focus on your arms relaxing, your shoulder blades and the space in between your shoulder blades. And allow your chest and belly to relax as well. And continue to focus on your breathing. As you relax now, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Breathe in through the nose. And slowly out. Feel the sensations in your body now. You might feel warm, you might feel tingling, or some cool sensation around the body. Just know that any sensations are okay. Feel them and continue to focus on your breathing. Take another deep breath in. Slowly out. And just check in again. And just notice how much more your mind is calm. Notice how your body also feels calmer, more relaxed. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and just come back